Hello everyone, I am Arshan Sheikh, a student at IIPS DAVV Indore, and today we are going to discuss the fifth question of the end semester of data science. So the question is, write an algorithm to create two clusters from a set 2, 4, 10, 12, 2, 20, 30, 11, and 25. The right output of each round. So the answer for this question is we will use k-means clustering algorithm for two clusters for making the two cluster from the given set. So the algorithm works as firstly we will do the initialization. We will randomly select two data points as initial centroids as the cluster centers. For this example, we will choose 2 and 25 as the initial centroids or the initial cluster centers. After that, we will do the assignment step. We will calculate the distance of each data point to each centroid. Means we will compare the each data point with the two centroids we have selected as 2 and 25, and then we will assign each data point to the cluster whose centroid is closer. Means we will assign the each of the point which is closer to the centroid. For example, as we have 4 which is closer to 2 than 25, so we will write 2 with this centroid. We will write 4 with this centroid 2. And for example, we have the element 30. So 30 is closer to 25 than 2. So we will write the element 30 to the centroid 25. Then we will do the iteration. So firstly we have the centroid 2 and 5. So the cluster 1 will be 2, 4 and 2, and the cluster 2 will be 10, 12, 20, 30, 11 and 25. Now thirdly we will update the step. We will calculate the mean of each cluster, and we will update the centroids to be the mean of their respective clusters. Means after calculating the mean of that particular cluster will become the centroid of that cluster. Now we will do the iteration 2 where the centroid will be 3 and 19.67. So the cluster 1 will be contain 2, 4, 10 and 2, and the cluster 2 will contain 12, 20, 30, 11 and 25. And after doing the iteration we will repeat the step 2 and the step 3. After that we will continuing the iteration until the centroids no longer change significantly or a maximum number of iterations is reached. So finally, final iteration will be our centroids will be 4.75 and 22. So the first cluster will be 2, 4, 10, 12, 2 and 11, and the second cluster will be 20, 30 and 25. So notice there the final clusters may vary depending on the initial choices of centroids. So different initializations can lead to different clustering results. So if we have chosen different centroids, then our result can vary. So for the centroid which I have chosen, the answer is this. So that's all the answer of the question. Thank you.